Ah, beautiful morning.
It is.
Not rainy like expected.
It's coming though.
How much are your boots?
$10 a piece on them. Yeah, they're steel toe.
They're brand new, both of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll buy them both. I'm gonna keep looking though. You guys selling any video games?
Oh, no.
No.
That is a whole little set right there.
So cute. Oh, I see
The shower curtain and the rings and everything.
You in the military?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. These are nice. Yeah, because those are like the standard issue military boots, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, not anymore. I don't know.
Not anymore, yeah. But they were back in the day when my brother was in.
I was a mechanic and they made us wear those.
Yeah. You got some Legos?
25 for the whole bucket.
It's a mixture of Lego brand and.
Yeah, yeah.
My son, he's color coded them and labeled
Really?
them.
Yeah, he took care of them.
I tried so hard to get my kids into them, and they're not even interested. You looking at my boots?
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm not stealing them. I'm just looking at you.
They're my boots.
He done lost a good thought when I just looked at his boots.
What were we talking about? Get away from my boots.
So funny.
Oh, yeah, I got the.
Those are size 8s.
Alright, I'm done.
Wow, what'd you find? A taco rack? That's all you need. How much is your camo gear?
I'll take $5.
$5 a piece, yeah.
But if you're really interested, I'll make it.
This jacket's actually really nice.
Get it? They're warm.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this jacket off your hands. Here's 25 for your gear. I just got the jacket and the 2 boots.
I forgot what I was.
Oh, this is like a whole bathroom set. Alright. These are heavy boots. Totally should buy a lot of that camo gear.
Yeah.
That stuff sells.
Yeah, there's several booths in our vendors list that has nothing but that.
Yeah.
That came out.
Yeah. It's a trunk sale.
Did you see all that?
I didn't see that.
Dansco's all new in the box.
What were they?
Dansco nursing shoes. They're
Oh,
$50 each.
50. That's what they're asking. 50
Yeah,
each.
they're
Okay.
asking 50.
Gotcha. His boots were a good
Found the
price.
colored ones. Yeah, the
That's not the kind of. Do you sell men's boots or you mostly do women's boots?
no, men's.
Have you sold those ones?
I don't know. I think the ones we saw were Rockies.
I've sold those ones.
What brand are those?
They're the military steel-toed ones. The
Vibram
Vibram.
sold, yeah.
I was trying to say it. So I've sold a couple pairs for like 40 a piece used, and these are new. So I figure maybe you can do
That's awesome.
60 or 70 kind of piece.
I don't normally pick up false scrap anymore, but those mugs were new for $2, so I did.
Yeah. Well, breaks are funny. Make sure to
That's
comment
why
below.
I can't do it. I'm so sensitive. I'd be like crying. So I don't know.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you guys on this beautiful morning?
Actually, it's nice and cool.
It's not bad. The rain hasn't come yet. I expected it to be downpouring by now.
We're supposed to start at 8 now, it's up to 11. So.
We've put off the rain. We've asked for it
All
to
day.
stall.
All day.
All right, you guys. Ping pong table. That's what you need.
I do. I need 3. You only have one?
you got
Oh, no. I need 3.
Well, I do have a saw. I can't cut it into 3.
There you go.
If
Is
you've
this-
got one, I've got one. That's 2 tables you can get.
Here you go. Is there a color? Oh, there is a color code. Okay.
Yes.
Orange is 5.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, look at you guys. This is a hot spot, right?
Yeah, I know. It's got to go somewhere.
Yeah, those are MiFi's. You need a service to go with it?
Yeah, I thought so, yeah.
Well, you are the first person to know what that is.
I do know electronics.
Okay. And you know all those headsets and everything.
Yeah, I do, yeah. And I'm looking at this Nortel, 50 cents, yeah. Gotta get that too.
Wearing a GoPro.
I am wearing a GoPro. I've got a YouTube channel.
Pick.
Okay.
Just how did you hear about it?
Oh, the sign. We just saw the sign, yeah.
Because we posted also on Boyle County yard sale.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not sure if it went through the marketplace because we're novices at this, so.
Yeah, a lot of times we look on like Facebook Marketplace
Right.
to see sales.
Right.
So
I know. When I posted yesterday, it showed up there.
These
but
are
I don't
cool.
think when I posted today it
you guys got any records?
No.
No.
did. But we might have in
Cassettes?
August.
I like
our
music.
daughter is coming
Yeah?
from New York. She has records that are here that we're holding for her, so we'll have
Oh,
her go
okay.
through
Cool,
them.
yeah.
So in late August, we're going to have another sale once she goes through all her.
Okay, well that's good to know.
Dave, do you want this for your camping?
Oh, those
a
are actually
skull?
pretty cool. How much is it? $2? Yeah, probably. I gotta make
What
a
is it
pile.
saying? I need a step up. It'll work.
Free admission to those who believe. This is also cool.
Yeah. Little curl you can get.
Molecular steam hair setter.
Here's, yeah.
Here, give this to your mom. Didn't she say it was a string?
Oh, how did I miss this stuff? It's your fault.
Sorry.
I'm teasing.
Oops. You know, I went to a yard sale where they're selling a baby potty, right?
Yeah.
And the kid was still there, and while I'm at the sale, he pulls down his pants and starts using it. Yeah. His dad was pretty mad.
That one actually has a button on there, so when they're sitting there, they can hit the button and it plays music.
Oh, nice. See, I need that. Let's keep me entertained.
Put it in the car.
I didn't even look on these tables. Weight Watchers. Get that too.
Nobody knows what this is.
Okay. It's a challenge.
I know what it is. What? You stole my
That's it.
thunder.
If you've ever watched Big
Maybe-
Bang,
I didn't know.
Give them a chance. I was giving them a chance.
this is Sheldon's shirt folder.
That's how I know.
Oh, there you go.
We got it together.
That's actually kind of handy.
Yeah, if you gotta ship shirts.
Yeah.
Perfect fold.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are these? Lint trap. Oh, this had a red tag on it. It fell off. This was red.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
So $1. This is orange. So 5,
Todd, could you
10.
help him out?
And this was $1, so that's 11, 50, 12.50,
Go get some bags.
13, 14, 15.50.
You want the ladder or?
Oh yeah, 15.50, 16, 17.50. Good call. 17.50. Do I need anything that's
Need any memory or anything like that?
not really? Yeah, 17.50. I'll just give you $18.
Wow, well, thank you. No one's ever
We're
done
rounding up.
Okay.
this too?
Yep, yep, that, or not that. But yeah, the Weight Watchers and that.
Got it.
Do you have $2 back if I give you a 20?
I'm going to give you 50 cents if you'd like.
Nah, don't stress about it.
I don't think I have anything big
Those
enough.
signs,
for
I
that.
just lowered the price on those.
Really? Okay. Well, see, that's good. I don't know if I would have bought them if they were more than $1 a piece. So,
They were
They're straight from Times Square.
are they?
Yep.
Yeah, they're cool. I like them.
Enjoy them.
All right, guys. Thank you.
care.
Maybe August.
Yeah.
Hey, we can go.
Down here?
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
This looks a little weak. Yeah, we'll see though. Morning.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, yes. Right, absolutely. Yeah, we did. I was gonna be in the garage.
Hey,
Fan motor for an air conditioner.
brand new?
Yeah, so it'll burn and it'll heat, throw heat for about 30 minutes to an hour. Cut off the because of thermostat.
No, I dropped something.
You throwing that out? I like thermoses. I always buy
Holly
them.
Red Top.
Nice. I buy them even though I never sell them. I try to sell them.
I was about to sit and be like, oh, I need this chair.
Oh.
They're like,
Beautiful.
hey, you get those all the time.
Have you ever sold any of these burnt oranges? $8.
How much?
80.
Nice.
And all your controls are right over here. Yeah, it'll burn about, I'd say maybe about an hour or so, then it'll kick off because the thermostat. What we do
I was gonna say, when we were talking about Pioneer Woman earlier, I saw when I was looking up some plates we sold the other day, the Pioneer Woman, one of these sells for like $70.
Really?
Yeah, it's like 4 right here. So
Remember
if you ever
that
see the
Pioneer
Pioneer
Woman?
Woman one,
She gets me to buy Pioneer Woman stuff all the time.
I just bought
Even
one.
though it's Walmart, it's still.
That's what I was telling them. I just bought one at the last time.
Pioneer Woman.
It really does sell. And even though it's stoneware, I find the dishes, they crack really easily around the edges or chip. So people are always looking for those replacements where they don't make them.
Ah, okay. So you can part them out?
Yeah. We just picked up like 20 plates last weekend.
How much is this motor?
Well, I give $100
Yeah.
something dollars, $124 I think for it, and I put it on, and
Okay.
then my compressor was out, so I just took it right back
Ah,
off.
and put it back in there.
I'll take $75 for it.
75?
There's the fan goes with it too.
Ah, okay.
Brand new fan blade.
I don't know that I need it, but it's tempting. Is there a lot of sales in this neighborhood?
There's 6 that somebody told me.
6 of them? Okay. This is a really beautiful view
Yeah.
you guys have. Very picturesque.
Yeah, we like it out here.
That thing's cool too, a little spinny
We
windmill
bought
thing.
that down at
It's neat.
127 yard sale.
Did you?
Some
Nice.
guy said he's got 18 employees that makes those.
Really? That's very cool looking.
Oh, I got you straight.
Took me a minute to figure out what you were talking about.
Look at get the fireplace. Oh yeah.
What are you gonna do with that?
Plug it in the shelf too.
Oh,
$1.
yes.
Yep. I read the price guide.
And I paid the lady for this one. I know. I can't believe he walked right past it. I'm like,
Oh, what? That's cool.
for $1.
That's neat.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Corkscrew.
You
Cool.
saw that. It's funny when your
I saw-
eyes
yeah.
immediately go
Have
for
a
it.
good day.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, just
Oh,
because.
yeah, that is a comfy chair.
I know.
Oh, I missed that too. Dang, I bought 2 of those last week or 2 weeks ago.
I missed it too. He's like, look what I got.
Ah, nice. How much was that? Green? Oh, we made some good money there.
This is cool.
We all made some
She said
cash.
somebody sent it to him from Italy. See, I don't like glass very much, so I tend to avoid it. Can I
These,
see?
so I've
How much
sold
the
one of these. There's no markings on them or anything, but I sold one the other day for like $80. So we'll see.
Awesome.
I don't. I mean, maybe it's 40.
Beautiful.
I don't know if this one's the same. I'm gonna put it back here
Yeah,
just
go
so it doesn't break. Unless you break it. Divide and conquer.
Meet this guy. Hello.
Morning.
Hey, how y'all doing?
We're doing great. We're excited about this breeze. The sun's hiding. It's all good.
We watched Kenzo.
Where you going for?
No, not that. That's all you. This is cool though. This is the kind of nerdy stuff I like. Oh, and then you got the instructions. I can't not buy that.
I know, look at that pretty. Oh, it says right there, $15.
Kayla, they have another one over here.
Well, this says $15 blanket on this ladder.
I think she's trying to sell that.
That's what I don't.
Well,
No, it
wasn't
says $15 for the blanket.
Oh, we'll go down to 10.
Yeah.
There's an autographed,
Still too rich for her blood, I
Yeah.
guess.
there's an autographed racquetball racket.
Who's is on? So by you? You signed it? I'm in.
I'm kidding.
I want to get this though. $5.
All right, yep. That's pretty good. That's an antique, isn't it?
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's pretty cool.
So you got the instructions for it
Oh,
too.
you got that much money.
Look, those are all singles. Those are all singles. We could do some singles.
Yeah. We appreciate that. I used to play racquetball a lot.
Yeah, I used to play with my dad. It's too much work though.
Pardon?
Too much work. Get all sweaty.
Yeah. I used to be sponsored by Echelon back in the 80s.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. You must have been.
Given to me.
You must have been good.
I did.
They put that in my hand.
What is that? Oh, families are like fudge. Yeah, it's accurate. What about this big thing? Morning. How you doing? Oh, you let this guy in here? You shouldn't let him in. He's real trouble. Oh, dang. You got some good games over here. Heck yeah. All right, how much for the lot? Give me a good price if I get them all? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
One back behind you too.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. What you said? It had $1.50. You do a buck a piece? 40 bucks?
Sure.
That's how I math. 40.
That's a good deal to get stuff out of the way.
All right, you the man.
Good thing you brought backpacks.
That's right.
I'm right, I'm
I did $1.
What, too much? Yeah, you're right. Too much. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video with the homeschooling picker. Make sure you check out the next one as well, because she'll also be featured in it. And so that'll be all 4 videos that I shot while I was yard sailing with her in Kentucky. I hope you've been enjoying them. Make sure you subscribe to Kayla as well as me. And, you know, make sure you check out all our videos. Turn on the little bell so you can, you know, see everything we release. As far as these sales, this was like the $50 extravaganza. Everything I bought was worth 50 bucks. The TI-84 Plus, 50 bucks. That's the calculator. The little MiFi hotspot, 50 bucks. That's the little AT&T thing. The boots, 59 bucks a piece, right? I bought 2 pairs. They sell for 60 a piece, 50, 58, 59. You know, so that's what I'm saying, $50. So just those 4 items are $200. And I got a bunch of other little items as well that are worth good money. My favorite thing I found there was the orange bittersweet Ellie Smith slag glass. I've sold it before. It's always sitting there for $1. Every time I find it, it's $1. And if you see one of those for $1, you gotta buy it because you're gonna sell it for 70 to 80 bucks. That specific one. There are less valuable orange vases like that, but even like the worst ones sell for 30 to 35 bucks. So if it's $1, you gotta buy it because you're gonna make at least 30 bucks and you could make 80 to $100 from it. I looked up that specific one. I threw the comp on the video. It does sell for $80. I think $89 free shipping is the most recent sold comp on that one. So definitely grab those. In that same garage, I was so excited that I grabbed it and just left. But Kayla's husband found a Rainmate humidifier thingy, which goes for like 50 to 60 bucks, and he paid like $1 for it. So, and she also found a really cool corkscrew, like brought in from some other country. So we all found something cool. It was like a really crummy looking yard sale. Didn't look like we were gonna make any profit, but we all pulled out really nice profitable items for about $1. So excited about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down below, and we'll see you next time.